let's start tomorrow. Today I don't have that motivation to start fixing this. Wait a second, what is going on here? Welcome back to the channel. So, I want to show you my new B4. People who watch my videos do know what happened last one. But so, let's speak about this. So, this is my new B4. Body is a lot better condition. You can see all the is good, nice. It needs some polishing, but yeah, it's not the problem. It looks nice. And yeah, so the engine. Ta-da! Like you see, VR6 from factory. Okay. So I did get this body and did remove the engine and washed everything. Then arrived my custom gearbox mounts, and I wanted to try in how this thing looks here. And after that I did put this in, and I didn't want to get it out anymore. So yeah, it looks really nice here. Okay, but today's episode I'm gonna show you how I made engine mounts here, and speak about a little bit how it fits here. It will be interesting episode, but let's go and start working. So, it's removed. Now I need to make a plate here, but for that I need to make one sablon to see where this bolt mounting places are. And yeah, the lamp did get also empty, so I will find some material for sablon and then let's. So I have this Japan Racing wheel spacer. It's wheel spacer box. I did cut it, and now I will make the whole places. Like you see, these are the bolt places, so now need to make holes here, and then I can make them on the steel and make one plate. Quite easy trick. So I will make the plate, and then let's start making the mount. The plate is ready. Made this, looks quite nice, so let's put it on. Yeah, fits nice, looks also great. So now let's put this connection here and let's start fitting some tube. These I made a few years ago. I don't remember where I need it, but then came out that I don't need them. But now it's good to have them because they are good. Here I is made one plate on lathe and then have welded, and you can weld here your tubes or whatever mount you are doing. So, and after I weld them on, I can make it a little bit shorter and some angle to give, and should look nice. So yeah, let's see how it will come out. Okay. Looks nice and good. So yeah. Now let's take some. I have an idea to do pipes here, like this and like this. So I have this half-inch pipe, and want to get this this angle here. Fits quite nice, so little tube this here. One tube looks nice. So let's weld this and let's think how to put here the second one. So this thing looks nice, and now I'm thinking add one tube here and like here add this. Yeah, I think this one will make like here to here. It looks good. So this will be the second tube. It goes here like this, but first I will try put this key. I can remove this key, so let's stack weld it. Damn, this thing looks nice. First and the easiest one is ready. I didn't I did stack weld it because maybe need to move the engine a little bit or something else. So after everything is in the place, I will fully weld it. but I'm really happy how it came out. It looks really nice. I will show you it closer. Yeah, it's this. It looks really nice. So, and now let's start making the second one. It's a lot trickier. My camera battery did get empty yesterday, and I did not get to film how I started this driver side mount, but I speak now. So this is driver side, like you see, already mounted on engine pad, and here is one bracket made, this corner here and all, but I can't finish it right now because here connects this generator and steering pump bracket. I have here this Audi TT bracket, but this not have steering pump connections, so I need to order Part1 or tack one, and then I see how that will fit, because it goes also under this bolt. So do I little bit fabricate this bracket, or I cut this and make here also some corner and it goes still under this bolt? But that I will know when I have the new bracket. So yeah, it will be right now like this. And now I need to add one tube and one bracket also here back of this one. Right now I'm starting to figuring out that. I had one idea to bolt here and here one metal piece, and then I should get to make here one pipe like this maybe. I added here to the driver side mount rear tube also, but I ordered a smaller oil cooler, and if it arrives then I mount it, and I will see how the caps are everywhere. Maybe I can put this tube a little bit better, but yeah, that's when it arrives. Okay, I will show you how it is right now. So here is not very much space. So you see the tube goes under the oil cooler. Here I made the plate, but okay, I will remove the oil cooler and show you. So here I made the plate. One bolt goes under the gearbox bolt, and the lower bolt is what holds adapter plate. And then I did put this tube here, but when arrives this smaller oil cooler, then I can look and measure. Maybe I can put it a little bit better and make here this plate also, what is right now missing. And yeah, looks okay. And here I ordered also 2.8 steering bracket and steering pump, so need to wait this also, then I can make this plate also ready. And maybe I'm adding one sheet metal part what goes rear to this oil filter housing, to that plate. I lift the car and show how the caps are under the car. In here rear section, here is also some space. Yeah, okay, let's lift the car. Good cap for starter, it fits nicely. And here the stabilizer, and the oil pan has nice cap. Also same with the axle frame, and this adapter plate are also going to axle, so you don't need to cut front axle, it fits. And yeah, I think that's all right now. And also one problem what they said, that this valve cover don't let close the hood, but it can with intake manifold and with ignition coil on it. Engine, this hood can close, so that's also nice. I think it's all for today, because need to wait some parts to finish the engine arms. But yeah, it looks really nice in this D4 engine bay. And if you like VR6 content, then hit subscribe button, because there are coming a lot VR6 content, how I put all the parts in the places. And yeah, don't forget like, share, and see you in the next video. Bye!